sarcastic kingpin was born upon the sea. There was meant to walk the land, a pirate's life for me. Avast you winding up the sails, don't speak to mutiny. Find yourself a wanton quarter, bottom of the sea. Among the shores of St. Anne to the eastern shores, I'll take my chances on the winds of loot and plunder stores. Our flag, it stands for us alone and no one else around. We owe our honor to the sea and not to any crown. Yo-ho, the seas forever roll. Yo-ho, the winds forever blow. Long after I met Davy Jones, still I'm not but skull and bones. Yo-ho. So many bullies bottoms up, raise the sails and drink with me. Here's to us, live long and long live piracy. Bring around into the white of treasures to be found. A pirate's life or nothing else, to the ship she's going down. Yo-ho, yo-ho, the seas forever roll. Yo-ho, yo-ho, the winds forever blow. Long after I met Davy Jones, still I'm not but skull and bones. Yo-ho. Heave-ho, me hearties, one by one. Heave-ho, me hearties, one by one. A pirate's life until we're done. A pirate's life until we're done. Heave-ho, me hearties, bring her round. Heave-ho, me hearties, bring her round. A pirate's life for me I found. A pirate's life for me I found. Yo-ho, yo-ho, the seas forever roll. Yo-ho, yo-ho, the winds forever blow. Long after I met Davy Jones, still I'm not but skull and bones. Yo-ho, yo-ho, the seas forever roll. Yo-ho, yo-ho, the winds forever blow. Long after I met Davy Jones, still I'm not but skull and bones. Yo-ho.
OMGG. Ag. Seems to be working. We got a stream before GTA 6, no way. Explode. Greetings. WSG. The man has arrived, at last. Yeah, explode. How are you folks doing today? I'm doing fantastic. We doing good. Downloading Black Ops 6. Give me some seconds, people. Tell M. Pulaski. How about you, Leandro? I'm doing all right. Good to hear. Let's see. What? Amen. I see. Elbow cough, elbow cough, elbow cough.
Like the stream, people. Hello everyone, it's me, I'm back. It's been a good while. I am sorry, but I am here. It's better than not being here and going away. So hello everyone, how is everyone doing?
Elbow
Oh.
cough. Ah, hell nah. That feeling when knee surgery tomorrow.
Bro, I wish you well on your knee surgery. How's this volume? Let me listen to myself. It's good. All right.
Shame on you, Palaska. Welcome back.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we're doing stuff.
At mask out, do not please.
You know what? I'm doing it. Go do it.
I'm doing
Mask
it.
Out. Go do it. Go do it. All right.
I wanna be able to ball again.
We balling?
Loudly
balling?
crying face.
We balling? 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 Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you one of the things I've been working on the background for the past, what, 2 months?
How bad can it be?
True. Behold, this is a game that I've been
Mask
working on,
out will never be balling.
bro, yet.
I will.
This is, I'm even gonna stop the music. Ladies and gentlemen,
I'm going to come back like Ronaldo Nazario.
I hope so. This is a game for my university. So how's my voice now? Is it louder? I put the microphone a little bit close to my mouth. Anyways, this is a game I've been working for university. It's something that has been taking a lot of my resources.
It's voice.
It's voice, thank you.
Voice is good.
Thank you. And I'm not making this game like willy-nilly. For example, oh, I'm just gonna do this shit and that's it. I'm done. No. I want to do this game. I want to publish it. I want to make people happy while playing it. Maybe expand in the future. Besides making it to gain a
Also
node.
unwelcome back, Palaska.
Go fuck yourself. So, this is my game. I'll show the game. And we're gonna work today on it. It's a 4-player, for those who don't know. It's a 4-player team death. No, sorry, 4-player free-for-all game.
And got him.
Bro. 4-player free-for-all deathmatch
Hi.
that you can get upgrades for your ships. Every ship has a little different thing on itself. Like, for example, a little the mechanic. And every upgrade is different. And every upgrade has a little visual modification for it. I pretend also to do a lot of maps. There is one Easter egg currently in the game, and I'll show the game. So, without more stuff, let me show you. So, we start the game, and this is the UI. Hopefully I'll be able to turn on this with this on the side here that I just clicked. And the UI itself, my ladies and gentlemen, you will see, let me increase my resolution on my screen, there it goes. The UI itself, if you put your mouse over it, or if you're playing on mobile, yes, I'm planning to make my game mobile ready, so you can play with your friends anywhere. So, go over here. You can see that every little thing is animated and it has a sound, different sound. There are some Easter eggs, for example.
Gamer.
Wait, bro. There's a Easter egg here, for example.
Well, you found me. Congratulations. Was it worth it?
Ta-da! I might remove this if I have some like DMCA claims or something, but in the meantime, there's an Easter egg, and then you have
1, 2, 3,
three.
Surprise.
Surprise! And then there is toxic. There's a toxic button. This toxic button, if you press on it,
I can't get the neurotoxin into your head any faster.
yes. And so, this is just the menu, the UI, okay? There's gonna be a Easter egg, which is this. If you press, like, for example, the special button over here, I might do it today. We'll see. If you press the special button, you enable this.
Wasn't
little
there a
ship.
cat button?
Yeah, I removed the cat button, I'm sorry. This is an Easter egg, okay? And this Easter egg is a little ship you can control. And why would you do this?
Sounds like the AI that was used in Gypsy Danger in Pacific Rim.
It's literally that one. It's GLaDOS from Portal, the game Portal. Guillermo del Toro actually got GLaDOS and put it on the movie. Yeah, it's GLaDOS.
GLaDOS, no?
Yeah, it's GLaDOS. And so, you have this little ship. And you can explore this, like, surround...
I'm gamer.
Gamer, true. You can explore this little ambient that I got over here. And if you go around, you find that this place is actually quite big. Okay? You got the second environment over here. The jump scare, I could add an alien.
Add a jump scare in these tunnels.
I could, yeah. I want to go further in. And by the way, what you're controlling right now is one of the ships. You're not gonna control it like this that I'm doing right now, even though I wish. But it is the
Slow
model
AHH ship.
of one of the ships. If I made the ship any faster, it would just crash around and it would be really ass to control. So, yeah. If you get a little bit closer over here, oh, I passed it. Go to the side here. There's gonna be this window right here, and outside of it, there's gonna be a black hole model that I made that you will be able to see. And yeah, that's it. So this is gonna be one of the Easter eggs. And now I haven't coded this properly, so we have to get out for a moment.
Bro has arena pinned.
What does that mean?
That
Anyways.
gives me an IDE.
Cool. So this is the menu. This is the menu. All of this that I showed is only the menu.
I'm gonna spend my last 800k on the game on one gun.
This is the menu. The menu, like I said, is very interactable, has a lot of stuff. And how do we play the game?
Okay,
well,
bud. I'm off for now. Welcome back.
thank you, Ruby. How do we play the game? Click on tutorial. Oh, there's a tutorial button. You might as well click it. To fire, press both move buttons at the same time. If you have one player, the player controls with A and D. If you have two players,
Wait.
bye-bye. If you have two players, it's gonna control with J and L. Three players, the left and the right arrow keys, and the four players, the numpad 4 and numpad 6. And to fire, you press A and D at the same time. Why this very odd?
Ciao.
This very odd system that I've implemented? Well, it's because some poor computers, not poor computers, but humble computers, they cannot compute a lot of presses at once. So we need to reduce the maximum amount of controls that are being pressed at once. So, for example, if I go over here, and if I press a lot of buttons, like I think my keyboard is 8 at maximum. You don't have a numpad? Skill issue, I guess.
I don't have numpad.
I'm sorry then. I actually should change it. But again, the reason why I chose numpad and these keybinds and all is because they are spread apart. They are not close together. So A and D on your keyboard, J and L, then the arrow keys, and then numpad. It's as further apart as it can be. Yeah. And then how to fire it on your ship, you press A and D. Now, those are the tutorials. If you want to see what factions are in the plane, the game, you can see here, there's a player faction, like a little log. And if you press on Captain's Log, Democratic Faction, it's gonna show the history for that faction and the 3D model of the ship with all the upgrades on it. If I go back, click on Militarist.
Surprise.
Thank you, GLaDOS.
Where is the Mascout faction, bro?
You
You're
can't.
throwing.
Yeah, I am. This is the Militarist faction. You can read it. This was the ship that you were controlling some time ago. Oh, when I will show the Easter egg. And there's the Devourer, which is this. You can read it if you wish. I really like the 3D model of it. And then you have the Captain's Log, the Pirate faction, which I have not modeled yet. So if you go back and go back again and go to settings, this is the last thing. There's nothing on settings, which is a shame. But if you go to play, there are player 1, player 2, player 3, player 4. So we have to select the players. So I'm gonna select all the current players that are currently. I don't think there's this one. So yeah. And if I click on play, it's gonna load. And there it goes. There's the 4 ships together. I didn't mean to shoot anyways. This is one of the maps. I'm planning on making 20 maps. But again, there are no sound effects, and that's something I have to implement. There are some things missing in the game, but the core of the game is almost done. And I do plan to make this able to be played on mobile. Remember that. Everything.
Every time I see something about pirate faction, it reminds me of Stellaris pirate faction, which uses literal asteroids cobbled together as ships.
That is a great idea. I will take that as inspiration for the ramming part of my game. Actually, I was thinking doing something related to The Expanse, like the Amazon series. Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking of that, but that's a great idea actually. Using asteroids, that's goated, TMG. Thank you. Now, the gameplay is this. The blue ship controls with the arrow keys, the pink one controls with the A and D, and you fire when pressing both of them, like the tutorial said. Pew, pew. And you can fire 3 at once, and then reloads, and then pew, 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 pew. The thing with the purple faction is that it has proficiency in ramming. The blue faction has an aimbot, which I'm gonna lower the value of it because the turret now it just snaps into place. Like you can see that. It follows the player that is closest to it. Then the red faction it just has smaller hitboxes, so you don't get aimed as easy. And the pirate faction, I think, is gonna just get shields very easily. Like scrap, for example. You destroy an enemy ship, you get a scrap, and then you collect it, and you get a shield, which is something that you use to defend yourself. So, yeah. The environments, for example, there are planets. For example, the planet that you see right now is one of the planets from the first faction, the Militarist faction, which is why it's red. One thing that I know, it's really hard to see some of the enemies. Not enemies, but ships. So I do need to put an outline to indicate where it is, or a giant arrow, or so on and so forth. And another thing that I'm really proud about, okay? If I go back, menu. You see, this is the computer. This is a computer, right? Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, this is a computer. If you click on play, the camera should get closer. It didn't get closer, but... hold on. Why don't you get closer? Hello, player selection faction. No. Where is it? Main computer, this, player selection. Oh, I don't have a camera here. Anyways, the camera should get closer to the screen. And this screen right here, when you click on play, 1, 2, and 4, that screen... Hello? the hell? Yeah. That screen is, if we manage to go a little bit further away, is the screen is the thing, like the map that you see is being seen through the screen that you selected the players. It's like the person that is on the computer placed its eyes closer to the screen. And then as the players get together in order to avoid any type of like bad gameplay, the screen goes away, the camera gets closer, and you just focus on the ships. I think that's a really cool thing that I added. Okay, I'm really happy about it. And here you can see the 4 ships. Guys, it's a stream. Yes, it is, Lemon.
Guys, it's a stream. Gives me high fleet map mode vibes NGL. I know.
It's crazy.
It's crazy.
High fleet map mode. Yeah, I got inspired. I got inspired. High fleet was one of my inspirations, TMG. And as you can see, these are the 4 ships that are done right now. And I'll show the upgrade system. So if I go over here, okay, if I go over here and, for example, player blue kills the both of them, by the looks of it, weird. Oh shit. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Game manager 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh shit, man. Oh, this is a bug. There's supposed to be a upgrade system here. And like I said, since I want to make this a mobile game, I can go over here and test. For example, I want a iPad. No, iPad? Yeah, sure, an iPad. Apple iPad Pro 12.9 inch 2018. You can see that the icons don't get cut out. And so, why don't you show me your upgrade system, please? Player 2. There. If I go over here on simulator, and the mouse at this moment, it is the touch screen. So the finger that would touch on the screen. So for this faction right here, what would I choose? I have laser weapons, I have projectile increasing weapons, I have ramming weapons, I have thrusters, and I have shoots. For this guy right here, because I love the laser, this thing shoots, I'll choose a laser. For the other 2, I'll choose ramming for the pink faction, the Devourer faction, and I'll choose a projectile increase for the other one. As you can see, the blue killed 2 guys, so on the scoreboard that appears on the end of the match, it goes 2 spots. Sorry, it just wins. It's based on match ones, not player kills. So it won the last match, so it advanced a little bit. If I go over here, hello, why can't I move? Oh yeah, because I'm on a simulator. Go back to game. If I go over here now, you can see that we have many different factions with many different guns, and they are visual guns. They actually appear. So for example, the red faction right now has a projectile increase upgrade. So the projectile that before was really slow, now it is pew 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 really fast and has a low range and has penetration, meaning it can penetrate any module of the ship, destroy it, and the projectile will keep going. If the projectile, for example, hits one thing, no, better yet, if I choose the upgrade projectile upgrade, it will increase the penetration of the projectile. So initially, without upgrades, the projectile had, for example, one penetration. So it would destroy one module of the ship, and that's it. It would disappear. But now, because we have a upgrade projectile thing, it can now destroy 2. So it destroys 2 modules, and then it destroys itself. The projectile is shot, it destroys 2 modules, and then it destroys itself. And then, not only that, it also has extra speed and extra range. Choo choo choo. What else? The blue faction got a laser. The laser is really overpowered. It goes all the way through the map. But here's the thing. When you fire your laser, you stay still. So for example, the blue guy over there on the top of the screen, when you fire, it stops the ship completely. It cannot move. So not only you get vulnerable, you are an easy target. And your laser can be dodged very easily. So for example, if I go over there, 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 and I fire, I just missed. Okay, and at the same time, there could be another player that would just be aiming at you with the other weapons. And the Devourer faction right now, which is one of the upgrades for all factions have laser upgrades, all factions have projectile upgrades, all factions have ramming upgrades, and all factions have shield upgrades, and all factions have thruster upgrades. The Devourer faction right now has the ramming build, the ramming upgrade. So if I go over here closer to the other player, I'll make sure the camera is closer so I can show. If I go over here and then approach the tip of the ship right there on the enemy ship, it will destroy it. It should destroy it. It did not destroy it. I do not know why. I have this is bug fixing. We fixed it today. Anyways, it destroyed that one. See? So it destroyed that one, and now why don't you get destroyed though? Oh, now it destroyed. That's weird. It destroyed the purple guy. One. So now we can select the upgrades. I'll select another ramming projectile upgrade. Actually, in my opinion, if I'm playing ramming, I would want to get fast. So instead of getting this upgrade, I'll get the thruster one. For the red guy that just died, I'll get another projectile for thrusters. And for some reason, this is bugged. And the projectile for the blue guy, the faction 2, is not showing. So just go over here and select another player. And now you can see the purple faction just advanced 1 score. Each upgrade is different, and they mix with each other very well. So right now, for example, we have this. The ships get bigger and bigger, and if I shoot and, for example, kill this guy right there, I cannot move anymore. But if I now use the red guy to fire this, pew, it destroyed not only the gun, but also destroyed the upgrade for the gun. So it destroyed the upgrade number 1 for the laser and the upgrade number 2. Now, the thing with the upgrades, currently, they don't get deactivated. What does that mean? That means that even though I don't have the visual representation of the model, I can still fire it. So if I go over here, as you can see, I can fire it. If I fire it again, it weird. I think it's trying to aim for the player that is dead. Oh, that is interesting. I have to debug. I have to make a fix for that. Anyways, as you can see, it still can fire at the enemy, which is a problem that I will have to fix in the future. But now, using our upgrade, I can just aim at that guy. Come on, come on, come on. I missed both. There he goes. I have to fix the hitboxes too. Now, this guy gonna get another projectile upgrade. So now the ship is really gigantic. I'll get a thruster upgrade for the purple faction. And I'll get a shield upgrade. No, I'll get the laser upgrade for the blue faction. So as you can see, this is also a bug. I don't know why that's causing it. The score for the purple faction is just disappearing for some reason. So if I go over here and I'll kill the player, boom, and boom. Now you ask me, why does the weapons have penetrations if you are so overpowered? Well, because we also have shields, as you can see here. If I get the shield, the enemy weapon will have to hit the shield, and the shield will explode. And maybe, if the enemy weapon doesn't have enough penetration, it will not destroy the ship. Okay? And yeah, that's why you have shields. And the shields, they do work. Not only that, the shields have hitboxes. What does that mean? If, for example, with your projectile laser, you hit over here and you have only one penetration, it will destroy the shield and will not be able to destroy you. But if you hit from below, since the shields have penetrations, if you manage to hit this on the Devourer faction, which is the core of the ship, the entire ship will go kablooey. If you hit the thruster, the thruster will go kablooey. If you hit the shield will go kablooey. But not the core of the ship itself. If you hit these two. But if you manage to hit the proper hitbox, the proper damage model of the ship, like the core, it will destroy. So the hitbox matters, and the upgrades that you get for survivability matters. Okay, and yeah, let me get the thruster upgrade, go out. I think this is gonna be one of the bug fixes that we do today because this is really annoying. Oh, I think I know why. Not this. This, yeah. I'll get the shield upgrade for the blue faction. There it goes. Everyone is very pretty and all. There are gonna be a lot of maps, of course. And yeah, as you can see, the ships do get very, very big. And that's the point of it. To make a ship that is unique, there is a total of, if I'm not mistaken, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 243 possible visual model configurations. Yes? More or less. Yeah. On each ship. Because you have 3 options for thrusters, 3 options for ramming, 3 options for shield, 3 options for projectile, and 3 options for laser. So you have this like this amount of combination. I think I'm doing this account wrong, but no matter. I want to make the maps interactable. The guy just killed over there. Cool. The maps being interactable. And I want to do a lot of maps. Since this is not done yet, there's room for improvement. Especially, like I said, the outline for the ships, because you can't quite see the other ships. And by the way, the this ring on the center, this space station on the center, you can actually get inside and like fire and like have battles in it and etc. And the guy just killed it. Good. Yeah, this is my little game. And if you wish to play it, it's gonna be up for Android. Android, I know it's gonna be, and it's gonna be up on iOS. But I have to get an iOS machine, a Macintosh, in order to build my game on it. And that's the more complicated part. I want to make it able to be played on iOS. Like I said, it's kind of difficult because I need a Mac with Unix installed, and that's another complication. But yeah, on the meantime, that's it. It's a 4-player deathmatch with upgrades, little game. And I hope one day you guys get to play it, and that's it. And one day, I mean like a month or so, because I don't have a lot of time to deliver this thing. I'm really, really limited. So, what are we doing today? We have that bug, which was... What is this? It was a virtual camera. Yeah. Virtual camera. One of the things that I want to do today... Oh yeah, let me show the other map that I have ready. This is the second map that I have ready. It's a black hole, which is inspired on the purple faction, the Devour faction. So yeah. Look how pretty it is. I love it. And if you wait a little bit, the sparks get out of the middle and they start getting attracted back again to it. I know it's not correct, physically correct, but like, I think it's really pretty when they go around. And they also get close to the camera, like you can see here. And I think that's really, really cool. And that's the second map. I plan to also do a, for those who don't know, what a Brother Moon is a moon made of flesh. And the Devour faction on my game is inspired by the Tyranids on Warhammer 40k. So you have that faction that eats flesh and creates biomachines, bioships. And so I want to make a planet that is like the Brother Moon on Dead Space. And this Brother Moon is gonna be moving like platforms around. It has like tentacles that damage you if you get close. And it's gonna be colored purple because, like I said, everything has its color. For example, red faction is gonna have red planets or red maps. Green faction is gonna have green planets, obviously. The purple faction is gonna have purple stuff like planets, and the ship itself is purple. And the Democratic faction is gonna have blue stuff. And I hope to make, for the Democratic faction, I hope to make something like Elysium, which is a movie. And this movie has a station. Has this station right here. So imagine with me for a moment, all right? Imagine if you could, all right? Think of that. Think of this. imagine if you could play in these rings. All right? Imagine that. If you could go around, not go around, but yeah, just basically go around inside these, because again, the ships are gigantic. Imagine if you could go like the red planet, you could go inside these and use these as shields, and you could go inside here, inside here, inside here, or even inside the ships itself. And the station rotates, but the map stays still. That could be a cool thing that we could do, I think. Yeah, and this right here, good inspiration. This is also good inspiration. I very much like it. Yeah. Yeah. Honestly, I cannot wait to model this. I cannot wait. So, let's not waste more time. And what are we going to do? I'm thinking a little bit of a mobile implementation today. I was actually working on doing the buttons for the factions. But I'm not quite right and sure. How would I do it? We could also maybe do maps. I would need to fix the bug that is currently happening. Oh. Wait, 1 0 2 1. 1 2 3 4. 0 1 2 3. Okay, it's correct. I do need to like fix the reason why the upgrade wasn't showing. Actually, I'm gonna check that out. Also, look how cool the black hole looks. Look how cool it looks. I love this thing. Look at that. Thanks to Gabriel Garcia, I think, which was one of the guys that I used to make the black hole. So black hole shader Unity. It was Gabriel Aguiar. This guy, amazing tech art. I love his videos. Love it. I tried to do similar to his. It isn't that great, but yeah, it's decent. So also, for those who didn't notice, I have activated my windows. That's right, people. I have activated Windows. We don't have the watermark anymore. Let's go. And I changed also some things. So most of my UI now is black on Windows, dark mode, which is so much better. I did not know it was dependent on the operational system color scheme, which is
Ain't no way you actually did it.
I actually did it. And it's pretty, honestly, I'm really happy about it. So, what we're gonna do? Let me go over to the map number 1, which is gonna be my preferred for all the remaining maps. And we have to fix this. So if you go on canvas, everything is deactivated. Okay. Scoreboard holder. Okay. Game control. How about you tell me? You tell me why. Oh, it's because of this. Because this wasn't showing. Oh, hey, actually. Brother. Can I go over here? This. Okay. I think now it's fixed and it's actually gonna show the upgrade system. Upgrade button holder. Let me put this in order. I don't know what this is going to break, but also the balls number is 2. We are gonna increase it to 3. Very important. And I think that's it for the bug that was being caused, that I couldn't see the upgrades. Also, for those who want to see the map, this is the map currently. Pretty cool, right? And this is what you see. I could make the word itself spin. Can I do that? I can't. Like, nah. Anyways, let's go to the menu. Let's play it and see if the bug's fixed. Let's go over here. If I go over to play. Oh, look at that. The camera goes closer to the thing now. Oh, that's so cool. Player 1, player 2, and player 3. Play. No. Aimbot go. Aimbot go. Very nice. Now it appears. Good. Also, look at the upgrades over there. Now it appears. I think I'm gonna redo these upgrades also. I'm not sure about that. I don't quite like it. They actually should be themed. In relation to the factions, in my opinion. That could be something I do. But now it's showing. And now if I select the upgrade, the correct upgrade, for example, I want the projectile. There it goes. And I want the laser, and I want the laser, and then it goes forward, and I don't have to go out of the game to do it, and it automatically restarts the thing. And if I kill that guy, and if I kill that guy, and if I go over again to projectile, and then I go to Remy, sorry, not Remy, laser. Since I won 2 battles, it shows me that. And if I go over here, and if I shoot you, I get vulnerable. I cannot move. And then if I go over here and then shoot again, I have 2 penetrations, so I destroyed 2 things instead of 3. That's why it only killed the turret and the upgrade for the turret. And now if I shoot again, kill the thing. Laser. Now I have 3 penetration, and I'm gonna choose another projectile one, and I'm gonna choose a laser one for that one. And now, if I go over there, look at the goddamn size of that railgun. Holy moly, that thing is gigantic. I go over here. Pew! Aimbot, go. You missed. I mean, it's a little bit balanced, I think. 3, 2, 1, fire. There, I managed to get a hit. Nice. I love the effect of it. It's so cool. There it goes. And then again. I missed. I mean, I didn't miss. For some reason, there's that bug that when it touches the very side of things, it doesn't actually destroy it. But oh well. Let me get a shield. Let me get a shield for you. Let me get a thruster for you. There it goes. And as you can see, there are many different upgrades and visual upgrades that you can get for your ships. And that's the coolest part of my little game that I like. I would make it more complex, but again, I am the guy who's making the implementation. I am the guy who's making the code, and I never coded before. I'm the guy who's making the 3D models, and I'm the guy who's making the texture. I'm the game designer. I'm the map maker. I'm the fucking music creator. You know, I have a lot of things on top of me, and I have to like deliver this in a month. So I'm a little bit under pressure, and that's why the game isn't more complex, because if I had a proper programmer, I would make this shit as good as Binding of Isaac. To be completely honest with you. With a lot of upgrades, a lot of things, a lot of visual upgrades, a lot of modifications to the weapons, and so on and so forth, and, you know, I would make that thing, but I am the programmer, the 3D modeler, the game designer, the musician, I am the asset implementator, I am the guy who does everything, you know? So, right now, we limit ourselves, we limit our scope a little bit, so we have this little game done. And honestly, it's pretty fun. And I even put some, like, Easter eggs on it, so I care about this game, I care about the project, you know? Is that I'm just doing it all by myself. And I have to reduce the scope, but again, if I had a proper programmer, I would not reduce the scope. But make it something really cool. We could do some music today. No.
So you found me. Congratulations. Was it worth it?
Yes, it was. What was I doing? We have that ready. We have player upgrades already. We fixed the bug of the upgrade system. What else? What else? I think we need a loading screen. Yes. 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 Sure. Sure. You know what? Sure. Sure. How can we make a loading screen? How can we make a loading screen? How can we make a loading screen? What?
And also gotta fix the options.
What options? Oh! Oh, you mean the settings? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't have the ability to.
What if the loading screens gave backstories of the maps, factions, and their ships?
That could. I mean, we do have the faction tab over here, Leandro. Hold on. That we do have the faction tab over here, and you can click on it. For example, the democratic, and it like shows the ship itself, and it shows the background of the. Let's see. The background of the faction, story of it. So I'm not quite sure if I would need that. I could give a little tips. Why is my computer lagging? What is going on? Who's using most of my GPU? OBS. OBS is using most of my stuff. Okay.
Fallout like loading screens where it displays some tips and rough overviews on mechanics and rest of stuff?
I mean, since the players are stupid, that is a good idea. Why is my thing lagging so much, brother? Please.
Lore drops, maybe. OMG Polas Asker sup?
Hello, Kraken.
Sup guys?
Also, hello, Gabriel. Lore drops. We could do a lore drop. Is it gonna lag on stream again? Hold on, play. No, it's like 60 FPS right now. Faction.
Well, you found me. Congratulations. Was it worth it?
What was the lagging before? That's so weird. Anyways. Okay. We could implement sound, but I do want to make how can I say? That random thing that you said to me, not only you, Leandro, but TMG. We could make like random tips that appear. So for that, we have to tell Unity, hey, when you press the play button, wait some seconds. When you press the play button, load a random loading screen, and then you a random loading screen, and then you what? You play the game, yeah. So okay, so go over here, public void, load scene from scene list. Very specific, very specific. And instead of going like this, Control X, Control V, you're gonna invoke this, because the moment that we play start game, it's gonna load the next scene. And why is that a problem? Because when you load the next scene, it freezes everything. This scene that you're seeing right here, it just freezes. It doesn't work. Nothing can be played, nothing can be animated, nothing can move. And then after loading next scene, it loads that scene. So what we're gonna do is, instead of just loading next scene at once, we're gonna wait. So we're gonna go invoke. We're gonna invoke this scene right here after, like, for example, 3 seconds. No, that's wrong. Here, and then 5 seconds. It's not actually 5 seconds. It's like an arbitrary number, but still. We're gonna play the start, and then it's gonna invoke. But before that, the thing that it's gonna do at once in a snap when you press the button is load the images. So for that, we're gonna have to create a list. No, we're gonna have to create a array. Public array game objects, aka it's just literally game objects are 3D models, pretty much. I want to make my screen as 3D models, so array game objects, there it goes, and it's gonna be called loading tips. I should put this in lowercase. And then we can do this. Why is this wrong? What did I write it wrong? Why did I write it wrong? Array unity. What is it? 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 For each void public float. Oh, no, this is not correct. Is it? Oh, wait. I think it's correct. Is that instead of this, it should be this. Actually, no, I will not use an array. I will use a list. Like this one right here, because I want it to be random. I can make it random on the array, but loading tips. And I want it to be game objects, like I say, 3D models. Why is this wrong? Base class varieties on unit scenes cannot implicitly convert types. Oh, I have to change this. Game object. There we go. Okay. So it's gonna pick a random amount over there. Random range. I need something called a random range. It's gonna pick like a random loading scene and then load the next scene. Random range unity. How do you work? Tell me. How do you work? How do you work? This doesn't have me. What is it? Okay, I guess we. What? Brother, do you have. Control S. Oh my god, this mistake always happen. Random. Oh no. There was a reason, there was a way to fix this. For fuck's sake, man. I have to write it all down again. Load scene, scenes, random dot range. Oh my god, dot range. Is it not gonna work? 0 scenes dot count, blah blah blah. How do I fix this? Random. Okay, instead of that, random dot range. Why would you do this? Why would you do this with me? Not now. Please. Random is an ambiguous reference between Unity Manufacturer.random and Unity Engine random. Random. Brother, please. No. Okay. I think it's something here that I have to remove. I think it's this. No. Unity Mathematics? Save? There, okay. Alt Enter. Unity Engine. Oh, okay, that's how you fix it, I guess. Oh, well, okay. I guess. Fine. All right. Now, I want random range. Let's see if I can write this down then. I want random dot range. No. Set act. No. Loading tips dot set. No. What do you have for me? What are the many things that we can use here? We can capacity. No. Scribe. No. Flatten. No. Insert range. No, we do have a range.
I have cool news that you probably don't care about.
Don't worry, tell me anyways. To short string tree access yield aggregate all any average cast concat contains. Loading tips dot count maybe. Okay, no. Okay. Random set active in Unity. Randomly activated one of many. Yeah, there goes. That's what I meant. Object list, which is this, what I just said. It was that. Okay. So I need the keys. Random dot range. Okay, I need to Unity engine dot random dot range, and then let me see. Object list. Random range 0. Yeah, so it's gonna start at 0, and then loading tips count because
Today,
it's the maximum
between
amount.
November 9th and 10, due to reasons you are not informed about, is the text day.
Incredible, truly. Truly. All right. So, it's gonna...
We celebrate 3 years of text.
Holy shit, that's nice. Happy text day. This is gonna select one of many random loading tips that may exist or not.
Text.
Text. And so, for that, we go over to Unity and we find whatever is responsible for all... What's it called? Or computer. There it goes. Player selection. And then there are loading tips. There it goes. So now, if we go over here, okay, if we go over here and we create a 3D object, a cube in this case, sorry, not a cube, but a sphere, and we go over here and we put the sphere very in front of the computer, okay, Control D, I'm gonna put another one here, another one here, another one here, another one here, another one here. And if I grab all of these, okay, I need to go to the player selection, lock this thing, grab all of this, place it on loading tips, and if I disable this, not that, but if I disable this now, when I press play, it's gonna load one of those and it's gonna load the next scene, hopefully. So, text, yes, text. Now, let me go. Come on. Okay, so go over here.
Text.
Play. 1, 3. And if I click on play, it loaded that. It's loading the scene. Loading. And nice! We have a loading scene. Now we just have to create the loading scene. Okay. So.
Ball.
People. What kind of tips should we give to people? What do you guys think?
Ball.
Okay, besides...
This is the coolest start menu I've ever seen.
Bro.
Zimmerman.
Thank you. No, we cannot go for for Zimmerman. Also, Guilherme Coelho. Guilherme? Oh, Gilman! Thank you.
Hans.
What kind of loading scene should we have, people? What should we put it like? We press play. What do we say here? What can we say? We can say okay. You know what?
Looks like the Brazilian audience is finally expanding.
It's true. We have 3 Brazilians in chat right now. Wow.
A short overview on each upgrade path for each part.
Okay.
I thought I was the only one out here.
Overview for overview.
Yes, I'm Brazilian.
For no, you're not, liar. Not overview for each upgrade path. What else? What else can we put on the?
Not I am.
No. What else can we put for the upgrade?
Oh no, there are more Brazils.
Actually, how to fire. What else? Can go for a short overview for each upgrade path. How to fire. How to move. Because I know there will be people that won't click on the tutorial. I know. And this is why we were doing this shit. What else?
I'm obviously Swedish.
Yes.
Gimmick of each faction?
Gimmick of each faction, yeah. Gimmick of each faction. Yeah, you're Swedish. You're Swedish. Hello. Actually, Guilherme, we actually have someone here that is Swedish.
He's
Mascot
Swedish
is-
like I'm obviously Brazilian.
Lol. Yeah, mascot is actually Swedish. Gimmick of each faction. Explanation of weapons. Explanation of.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm Mascout.
Explanation of weapons. Weapons. Like, for example, laser. The laser. Explanation of the laser. Like, for example, oh, the laser can penetrate X amount of things. And it's not stopped by anything. Laser doesn't get stopped. What else? Projectile penetration. Oh. Bullets actually have penetration. What else? How to fire, how to move, gimmick of each faction, a short overview for each upgrade path, explanation of weapons. You can play this game on PC. You can play this game on mobile. Yeah, okay. What else? What else can be done? Oh, there are some Easter eggs on the menu. There. What else? I could put like curiosity.
Now on phones, now on desktops.
Yeah, exactly. Like Terraria. Like Terraria did with its with its thing. What else? What else can we put? Ideas, people's ideas. Did you know the menu buttons are interactive?
Now on calculators. You can play the game while taking exams.
I don't think my my game runs on a calculator. It's not Doom.
I have one of those calculators.
Okay. Stop by the faction tab and learn more about the game. The game factions. Factions tab. Is it this? What is it this? Oh, that doesn't matter. Anyways, I'll check later. What's another tip that could be made? What is another tip that could be made? Another tip. The game? The game was developed in less than 6 months. All right. The initial game. This initial game phase was developed in less than 6 months. Yeah. What else could we add? I think this is good for now, right? I think that's plenty. Yeah, I think that's plenty. Also, if you want to see the background. Yep. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna put this last one, but it's gonna like be pulling my sardine. The sardine to my side, if you understand what I mean. No, I'm not gonna put this. I was gonna say the guy who did the programming didn't know how to code. Uh, I mean, it would be funny, but hey, you know. I mean, the game runs on a school university computer, so I guess it's decently optimized. What else can we add? Don't touch the afterburners, don't touch the afterburners. There, okay. So now we go over here, put it to the side, short overview for each of breed path. I'm not gonna do that right now. How to fire? Press both move buttons to fire. There, okay. Press the move one is a little bit actually not gonna put that because you do have to read the tutorial to play, so anyways. Gimmick for each faction. The no. The Devourer faction has advantage in ramming weapons. The Militarist faction has advantage in its hitboxes. It's in their hitboxes. What else? The blue. No, the Democratic faction has a no. No. Better yet, the Democratic faction.
Time to snuggle into bed and watch the stream.
Yay, comfy. The Democratic faction is hacking. Kill them. They are using aimbot. Because it actually is an aimbot. Explanation of the weapons.
Time to sit on the cardboard.
Weapons. Bro, so true. Weapons have penetration amounts. Did you know? No. Did you know?
US Alexia.
Bro, shut up. Weapon have penetration amounts. First upgrade. The first upgrade. No, the max upgrade destroys more modules than the first upgrade. There. What else? You can play this game on PC. You can play this game on PC. You can play this game on mobile. There are some Easter eggs. There are some Easter eggs on the menu. Colon 3. Did you know? Did you know the menu is interactable? Stop by the. I will literally write that all again. I'm sorry. Did you stop by the factions tab to learn more about the game factions and ships? The
Call on tree 3.
Colon 3. That. This initial game. No. This initial game version was developed in less than 6 months by someone who didn't know how to code. Didn't. What else? Don't touch the afterburners. Don't touch the afterburners. Keep your hand off the black hole. on the maps. You will suffer spaghettification. Do I need to spaghettification? Do I need to actually put a hyphen there? I don't know. No, actually not. You don't. Keep your hands off the black hole on the maps. You'll suffer spaghettification. What else? More funny. I need a funny. I need another funny. Maybe something related to the ships. Don't let the devourer bite. Don't let the devourer ship bite. It's hungry. Do I put a hyphen here? Oh, I really don't know. It's hungry. Ah, okay, I do put a hyphen there. Cool. Don't. Oh my god, I wrote don't and didn't for so long on Discord without actual like hyphens, and now that I'm having to put it. Wow, that's so weird. There are you can play. You can. Did you know? The Democrat, the militarist, the devourer. Okay, okay. What else? Careful. The pirate.
I will become number one in this game. He'll be the best sucker by the black holes.
Bro. Careful. The pirates will steal your controls. What faction do you like the most? What else? What else? What can I put? What else? What else? What else? I think that's it, right? That's enough tips. That's enough tips. Yeah, I think that's it. Go over here, select everything. No, not A. Select everything, go over here. Texture space, geometry, no font. I do want to lower the amount of polygons that we have here. We don't have a lot though. I thought we would have way more. I mean, it's not optimal, but still, it's not bad either. I want this font. And I want to decrease the word spacing too much. There he goes. Okay, now we edit this. We do this. We do this. You suffer spaghettification. We do this. There he goes. I think that's it, right? Pretty much. Lower the line spacing so I don't have a lot of work. All right. Mesh. I'll grab this first. There he goes. Separate, 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 separate. I cannot do by loose loose objects, otherwise it's gonna separate every single letter there is, and that's not optimal. So let me go here. Let me place it on the center. There. There. There, okay. There. There. I'm also gonna do something else entirely for these. How can I say? For these things, I think I will turn off the lights on the map. I could do that.
Look at this boy doing his game.
So true. So true. Thank you, FOS. Thank you. Just need to make it better. Need to make it way better. I still have to play lead box, by the way.
Felipe here BTW.
Yeah, I know it's you. I know it's you. I looked at your channel instantly and then saw Leadbox. I know who created Leadbox. The famous Leadbox developer, Felipe. Oh my god.
Tongue sticking out.
Yeah, boy. That's right. Welcome, Felipe. These are my tips, by the way. My gaming tips. Because look, orange to geometry. Oh no, I deleted my balls. Can I Ctrl Z? Yeah. If you go over here, Felipe, look. If you play the game, okay. Okay, this is how I did my loading screen, by the way. If you go over here, press play, it's gonna load a random ball because it's gonna load a random 3D object. This 3D object is gonna be a loading screen, like a 3D loading screen, and this is how I'm doing, which is this.
BALL.
The ball, and it's gonna load one of these tips. And these tips are gonna be curved. And the reason why I'm doing 3D models is because I want to curve them over on here, on this thing right here, the screen. So I'll grab all of this, Control C. I'll go over yonder, and I will string starting. Hold on, Control C, open. Don't save, but I want to copy them. A, Control C, and then I'll open PI2, the integrator project number 2, main menu screen, open, and then I can go over here. I can let the texture load. By the way, for those wondering, this is my main menu. Completely unnecessary, but hey. Also, Felipe, if you're still there, look at my Easter egg that I added. My little Easter egg.
Gonna play something. Good stream for you, my friend.
No, look at the Easter egg. Look. You enable the Easter egg. And it's a little ship you can control. And this little ship you can go around this environment that I created. And then you're gonna be able to see like the outside with a black hole on the outside of the station. And yeah, this is the reason why I did this. Whee! Yeah, silly. Anyways, go play.
Gaming.
Gaming. Have a good one, Felipe. Have a good one. What was I doing? Yes. I need to Control V. Where's my stuff? Over there, I think. Hide this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Where's the computer? Someone stole my computer. It was I. Hide this. Where's my computer, man? Where did it go? Where is it? Oh, what's it doing here? I thought I placed it over there. Okay. Guess I didn't. Anyways, for those wondering, my UI is entirely
The pewter is gone. See.
made out of 3D models. 3D models. Also, yes, the computer is gone. It is truly sad. Do this. Do this. I want to grab this. Control I, hide. Go over here. Go over to the side. Align it over there. Like so. to the front. We have this area which is usable. So if I do this, no, I don't want to select that. Go to face project. That, no, turn it on. It's still too big. Hey, my computer froze. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Let the computer think. Let the computer think. Let it think. Let it think. Let it think. Computers gonna. I don't think I saved. I think I should have saved before I did this. I'm gonna Control Z. That's the worst part because I can see that it's clipping on the side here. So, oopsie. Uh-oh. That's a mistake. Okay. Oh, there we go. It did. Okay. Control Z. Turn it off. Go to the front. Scale it down. Go over here. This. There. And we're gonna wait all this time again. And then it's going to work. We just have to export this from Blender to Unity. We do need to UV unwrap. I just noticed that, but we have to export this from Blender to Unity. And then, after we have done that, we can set it up. And then, I think that's it, to be honest. I think that's it. Oh, it went. Good. So, for example, if now I select this and this, Control I hide. There goes. Did you know? I have penetration mouse. The max upgrade destroy more mods than the first upgrade. Cool. I'll grab all of this. I will not grab you. I'll grab you. Unwrap. It's gonna take a while. Let's go. Oh no, it didn't. Cool. And now we are going to UI environment. No, computer. Where is the computer? Where is it? Underline E. Main menu computer E. Cool. Place it very small. Over here. Yes. I don't want to put it to make it green. I want to make it orange. Like so. And then we're gonna do this, Control L, link materials. And then if we are smart, keep your hands off the black hole on the maps. You will suffer spaghettification. Let's go. Okay. Go to layout. Control I, scale. Wait a minute, please. Export FBX. Let me see. I'll export it as menu tips. Z forward, Y up, blah blah blah, and then I can go over to display capture. I can go over to Unity, assets. No, Siri, fuck off. I can go over to models, UI models. Go over yonder again. Hold on just a second. Folder, PI2, menu tips. Menu tips. There it goes. Then I can close this, open this. There it goes. These are my menu tips. What I
Just made 600k in one raid in arena.
an arena breakout? Holy brother. What a look, guy. Wow. Menu tips.
Yeah.
Holy moly. Please don't tell me. No. No, don't do this to me. You can't do this to me. No. No, 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 don't do this.
3 golden items and 1 purple.
Wow. Okay. What were the golden items? What were they? Like in what's it called? Like the actual 3D models, what were they? That's what interests me. Like all of this. A friend of mine called Gilmer showed me this.
Golden cube,
How to do this,
laser
by the way.
pointer, and mill radio.
Ah, cool. Also, a friend of mine showed me that I can put multiple objects a single material. Look. Go over here. There, look. Wow, isn't that cool? Oh, that's cool. Put to the side. Do I need to scale this up? I think I do. Scale this up. There we go. Okay, now the play actually. Oh, I have a use for you now. Let's go. Main menu, computer. Play selection. No. Settings. No. Player selection. There it goes. The play thing is gonna hide the menu tips. There it goes. And then on player selection, player selection. Player selection. No more spheres. Goodbye, spheres. May you die. Player selection. Lock it. Get this text. Boom. No. Oh, god damn it, dude. There. And it's gonna enable one of those. So I hide them. And then if we save and we play and we shit, I did something wrong. I should have put a virtual camera on each one of those so they approach the camera better. Enable them. Virtual camera, Control D. Move it all the way down to the first text. There it goes. And this camera, where is it? It's gonna approach. There it goes. It's gonna do this. There it goes. All right. I'm not sure. That actually is pretty nice. So Control D, place it here. Control D, place it here. That might be a better way to do this, but I'm stupid code-wise, so yeah. Skill issue. Literally. So I am sorry for any programmers out there or Unity developers or tech hots or anything of the genre that is looking at my code and what I'm doing right now. I am so sorry. I don't know how to do something better. And I don't think I have time to learn, but I would like to learn. Okay, so right now, this is the best we can do. Forgive me. Now, save. Go here. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you loading tips. Play. No, wrong one. Play. Play 1, play 3, play. That what the fuck? Okay. That was a little bit scuffed. Play the what the fuck? What? What is going on? What the fuck? Oh. Oh, wait, actually. Minimum inclusive, max exclusive, plus one overload. Turn a random int within. Okay, do I need to do this? No. I think you have to make the UI disappear.
I think you have to make the UI disappear for a second.
Yes. But that's not the problem. I saw that it actually made two hints appear at once, and that's a problem. Huh. Okay, we'll take a look at that in a minute. The play button, not menu tips anymore. No. You're gonna make player selection disappear. Yes, like TMG just said. So if we play, there, and click play, and let the devour ship bite. It's hungry. And then it's gonna load the game, and there it goes. Cool. All right. Go back to the menu. Play, You can play this game on PC. Cool. Okay, but that's a little bit bugged. Why does the camera gets all buggy?
Is this Lethal Company 2?
Brother, so true. It is Lethal Company 2, yeah.
Lethal Company 0.5.
Me when I make a Lethal Company mod. Amazing Lethal Company was made on Unity, so I could develop a mod for it. Play, and boom. This initial game version was developed in less than 6 months by someone
Ice
who
Cream
didn't
Song
develop the
2
code.
Electric Boogaloo.
Bro. I can't get easy. Okay, fuck. Okay, hold on. Hold on. That's lagging. Why is that lagging? Why is it lagging? I don't get that. Player.
Speaking of Unity, this is not Tarkov.
This is not Tarkov. It's not, no. But honestly, you'd have more fun playing this than Tarkov. To be completely honest with you.
OFC. Tarkov sucks.
This is gonna be bad.
I mean, the
Brother.
Halloween event was fun. Big spiders.
Big spoiler. I have no idea. Imagine if Tarkov had the whole map playing together.
I can't get the neurotoxin into your head any faster.
Play.
And more cultists.
Wait. Okay. Separate. I want to.
GLaDOS.
GLaDOS. Yeah, this is GLaDOS. GLaDOS. GLaDOS.
Glabos.
Glebes. What if I. Where's the computer? Computer. Environment. Where is it? Canvas. No. Camera. There we go. Computer. Grab. Pause button. Go. Get the fuck out. Ah, I see. That is a problem. The writer is a problem. Let me unpause it and get the players closer to each other. No, don't shoot. Okay, thank God there's a range to them. And if I pause the game, yeah, I'll have to use canvas on Unity, which is not a 3D model. It uses your screen to make something a proper scale. Well, it's not that bad, but still, I wanted to use a 3D model, but oh well. If I play, why is my camera not enabled? Virtual camera. I think I found a bug with not my game, but a plugin. Wow. Isn't that peculiar? Ha. We'll break the game.
Make me a game tester. I will break the game.
As you wish. I actually do need QAs. So if you have friends that want to play on your tablet or computer or a phone, sure, why not? I don't see a problem. Factions. Well, my stuff is bugged. Oh, why does it do that? The Devourer faction has advantage in ramming weapons. Cool. What now? What the fuck happened, dude? This is a game-breaking bug. Well, what do I do now? I know the Devourer faction has an advantage in ramming weapons. Yeah, sure. What about it? Let me fucking quit. Let me play the game. Let me play the game. Let me play the game. Play. Play 1, play 3, play 2, play. The military's fashion defense is in the hill axis. Okay. Go back to the menu. But yeah, the sin machine is bugged. Which is the thing. What did it say? Press both move buttons to fire. Yeah, sure. Okay. This is a bug I cannot resolve by myself. Shit. Damn.
I've been a tester for one game, managed to glitch myself out of map within 2 seconds of loading into the level. The dev was not happy.
It's okay. It's okay. That's what game testers are all about. But now, I'm gonna end the stream here. I know it's early. I know it has only been 1 hour and a half, but I am tired. I haven't streamed in 2 months.
Type of she I be on when bored in For Honor.
True. So give me a break. Okay? Tomorrow there will be more. Don't worry about it. Maybe even a longer stream, but for now, I'm ending the stream here. So, everyone, thanks so much for coming.
Bro Forger how to stream.
Yeah, I did.
Good luck.
Everyone.
Well, you found me. Congratulations. Was it worth it?
Text.
Well, you found me.
Good luck with that
Congratulations.
bug.
Yes.
Was it worth it?
Bye.
Bye.
Text.
Bye, everyone. Wait,
Jor.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Jagu Diger.
Yeah, get to there. Play the game. Don't let the
Click,
devourer
click,
ship
clack,
bite.
clack.
It's hungry.
:3.
3. Bye, everyone. Have a good one.
Have a good one, folks.
Have a good one. Not Blender. Bye, everyone. Bye. Like the stream. And subscribe if you haven't. Bye,
Sada
everyone.
Andajai.
Have a good one. Bye.